Pineapples, welcome back to my channel. So today, welcome back for the 500th time because I tried to film this intro so many times. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I am super hyper and bouncing off the walls. I had an energy drink on an empty stomach. I still haven't ate dinner. And what time is it? It is 9:47. I'm going to try to speak nice and slowly so you guys can understand me. Sometimes I end up speaking so fast that you guys can't even understand me. So I apologize for whenever that does happen. Today's video is going to be all about sales, couponing, Black Friday that is happening literally right now as we speak, and also Cyber Monday coming up. I'm going to be talking about the ones I'm personally going to be participating in, and also how I stack my coupons, how I get coupons, and how I get cash back, which is the main thing I want to talk about. And I want to talk about sales regarding different products and stuff that I recommend personally on my channel, because this is a big one, because certain things I know get pricey, but if there's going to be a big sale, free shipping, and you can get cash back and all of that, this is where it's at. All right, guys, so now let's get into the video. First, wait, before we do, can we just... Yes, I know. I have blue shadow on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it. I'm using the Dose of Colors palette, and I'm using the bright blue. And it just makes me so happy because I don't feel like a damn clown. So that's a good thing. I did a whole review on this and a whole look with the green shade, and it's absolutely stunning. I basically did the same exact tutorial except I put the blue shade. So you guys can go check that video out. So first thing I want to talk about is Ebates. Now I had mentioned this already on my channel, but it's really important to sign up now or take advantage if you already have an account, because I personally am affiliated with Ebates. This isn't a sponsored video. I just use them honestly all year round, especially during December. It's freaking amazing. I'm going to explain why. I think people get scared to sign up for Ebates. They think it's maybe a scam or you really don't get your cash back, but you do. So for Ebates, whenever you sign up, it's free. There's no fees. They don't need any social security number or bank routing number or anything like that. You just sign up with your Facebook or your email, and whenever you use it, you just shop like normal. So once you pull up the Ebates site, you're just going to click at the top, say for instance, Ulta. Ulta is a good example right now because I'm going to get to it. You're just going to type in Ulta, it pops up, you click it, and then it'll say shop now. And on the side, before you click shop now, it'll give you all the coupons that are happening. It always shows the $3.50 off 15, and it'll show like whatever, like 20% off hairstyling products or 20% off blow dryers. It'll tell you like what deals are happening right now. So with Ebates right now, Ulta is at 10% cash back. So whatever you purchase right now online, Ulta right there, so I can prove it to you, is 10% cash back. So one huge piece of information I wanted to tell you, since I am affiliated with Ebates, since I do have an account and a referral link, FYI, everybody can have a referral link. You don't have to be an influencer or have an Instagram account or any of that. You can pass this on to your friends and family and take advantage of it so that you can get also cash back, because whenever someone else shops, then you get cash back as well. They sent me an email, and since I am a part of the affiliate program, they gave me a sneak peek telling me that on Friday the 23rd, Ebates is going to be having double cash back site-wide. And I was like, phew. Like, that is crazy and it is insane. Right now, it's already taking place. Like, for instance, Ulta, I guess they're doing theirs a little bit earlier. Amazon is 8% back. It was 0% cash back. Usually it's like around 4% to 5% cash back for Amazon. JCPenney 11 cash back, Nike 11, Old Navy 10. There's so many different cash backs. Dick's is 11. This is the time to really do your online shopping. And also, if you shop in stores, there's certain stores that actually take your Ebates. So I highly recommend downloading the app because it has everything at your hand. So say for instance, I know Sephora does it. Like right now, it's only 4% cash back. So see oh no, in store, it's 8 already. See, so you see that? So you can just shop like normal. You can say shop now and it'll bring you to the regular Sephora site, or you do link offer and you accept it. Back, you just link one of your debit cards or your credit card, whatever you're gonna have. And then with that purchase, it's gonna link back to the app and you're gonna get your freaking cash back in store as well. So you don't only have to do just online. You just shop like normal. There's no scam, there's no nothing. And you can also have your own referral link, and that's about it. So like I said, they sent me an email saying it's gonna be double cash back site-wide on Friday. but only on Friday. So that's kind of like, ooh, like what store should I shop on only on Friday? So say for instance, Ulta, I had an order because it's 10% cash back, but now I'm gonna wait just to see in case there's any new coupons or anything like that pop up. And I'm gonna wait until Friday to make my order because I know it's still gonna be 10% cash back, but I just wanna make sure just in case like something new might pop up, and I'll just be like patient and wait. And they pay you quarterly and they pay you through PayPal or check. I just do PayPal just because it's quick. So the first thing I want to talk about is with Sigma. Sigma brushes are my number one. You guys know that's always what I use. I have tried so hard to use some Morphe brushes. I have used them, but I don't know, they keep flaring out at the ends. I totally get like people do like Morphe. We all have like our own likes, and some brushes are really good. Like I would just order them from Ulta personally now that they're on the site, because then you can return it if you don't like it. Wait, I don't know how the return policy is with Morphe, but with Sigma, they have a freaking 2-year warranty on their brushes. 2 freaking years. I'm gonna show you how it comes like packaged. Wait, let me say what the percentages off are gonna be. Like right now it is currently going. Today is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. I apologize. I am so freaking rude. Sorry. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, but even if you don't celebrate, I hope you had a great happy Thursday. So for Sigma, it's gonna be 30% off plus free worldwide shipping. That is like huge. I know all of my people who are international, the shipping kills you guys. I totally get it because when I ship out international prices, I'm like, damn, shipping is so freaking expensive internationally. So Wednesday to Friday, so just until Friday, you're gonna get 30% off plus free worldwide shipping, no minimum purchase. So you don't have to spend like $50 and then you get unlimited. It's like whatever you spend that day, you get free shipping. And then this is how the brushes come packaged. Before they used to come in little like plastic slips, but now they come like this. Very nice structure. I absolutely love it. I always say, you can make like cheap makeup look so stunning and beautiful if you have the right tools. You can also get a palette from Wet n Wild or L'Oreal, which I love the L'Oreal Paradise, which is only $9. And I can make it look like a freaking $150 Natasha Denona. My whole point is like, I'm saying, it's not necessarily like the quality of makeup, it's the tools. When you have bomb freaking tools, it makes all the difference. I'm telling you, how the color packs on, how it blends out. Personally, I'm gonna be talking about a next brand, and the brushes are much, much, much more affordable, but they're not like my number one. Sigma is my number one. Okay, and also I'm gonna leave everything down below, but Monday and Tuesday for their Cyber Monday, it's 35% off. But the thing is that you're gonna get a free angle kabuki, but in order to get free international shipping, you have to spend $75. And if you are US, you have to spend $50 or more. So it's not like the 30%, you know what I mean? It kind of like, you might as well just shop Wednesday to Friday because lots of the things start selling out. Personally, I have experienced it before when I was obsessed with the wing liner brush, which I am. I'm still obsessed. I ended up buying so many. I'm pretty psycho. I think I have about like 10 of them. I remember I wanted to buy one during their sale and it sold out. And I was like, damn. And it's because I waited. So sometimes it's just not really worth the wait. Like that 5%, I mean, you have no minimum. So say like you're gonna get 30% off that wing liner brush and no minimum, you're good. But say for like if you wait until Monday, Tuesday, you're gonna get 35% off, but you have to spend a minimum of $50 for US or $75 internationally. So it's like, what's the better deal? Obviously the deal that's Wednesday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday has a sale too. I'm gonna write everything down below because this video is already just being so long and I can already tell. Next one I wanna talk about is the one that I participated in already, and it's from Lady Moss Beauty. They have my favorite lashes from Coco. I got style 501 and 9 to 5. Those are my holy grail lashes I use all the time. The 501s are more of like a flared basic lash, and the 9 to 5 are super nice and glam. If you are a fan of Coco lashes, I highly recommend getting some right now because it is 30% off. The lashes kind of range from like $7.99, but my 501s are only $3.99, and you can save a lot of money. There's not only just lashes on there, but there's a lot of different lash brands. There's different makeup brands, NYX, I believe Makeup Geek's on there, Ardell. I got lash glue. I stocked up on that. I just stock up on like a lot of necessities, but just go on the site and it's 30% off right now. I personally don't have like another coupon coupon code. That's like the only thing that they have, 30% off. Oh, if you spend minimum of 50, which I was so sad, I spent like 48, you get free shipping. I was like, oh damn, I'm not getting free shipping. Then I went on the Instagram and then I saw someone ask a question about free shipping. They're like, oh, spend a minimum of 50. And I was so upset because the shipping was $5.95 for standard. And I was really sad. So let me just help you out right there because I made a mistake and I want to make sure you guys don't make a mistake. But 30% off and then minimum $50 and you get free shipping. If not, standard shipping, $5.95 because a girl would know because I made that mistake. But they have a ton of stuff on there, even makeup organizers. They have Violet Voss makeup, I believe. They have like a ton of stuff. So that's one that I always participate in for like the last 3 years. BH Cosmetics. Now I haven't mentioned them that much on my channel lately, but it's just because there's so much freaking makeup, and that doesn't mean that, oh, I don't like BH. I freaking love BH. I still use a ton of their products, but I'm always testing out new things. It is probably like my favorite affordable like makeup brand when it comes to palettes. Now I know lots of people are obsessed with the Morphe and like everybody likes their own thing, you know. But when it comes to BH, I happen to love their eyeshadow palettes. The Zodiac palette is my #1. I think that one is so freaking bomb. It is great pigmentation. Even though the packaging is a little funky, it is totally worth getting because you get so many shadows. You get a crap ton of shimmers, a crap ton of mattes, and you will need nothing. There's like a highlighter right in the middle. It is my #1 palette I highly suggest. Also, their brush sets. This is what I wanted to come to. If I were to get a super affordable brush set, I would pick BH. It comes usually in like a brush cup or like a little bag. They have really good deals. Right now, I saw like their best sellers. Let me say it because I don't want to like make a mistake. For Black Friday, it's going to be 70% off plus 30% off best sellers. For the Black Friday weekend, it's 70% off plus 30. Oh, the same thing. Okay, so Cyber Monday is where it starts changing. It's still 70% off, but it's going to be 40% off best sellers. Now, whenever I notice brands kind of like ump it up for Cyber Monday, that doesn't necessarily mean that, oh, let me just wait until Monday to get it. Your product might be sold out. Like Zodiac palette ended up selling out, and I talked about it and I checked online to link it so you guys can go and get it, and then it was sold out. I was like, damn. That was really lame. I'm talking about a palette that they can't even get. And then I know they restocked it and it's sold out again because a lot of people started realizing how good the palette was and they brought it back. So I know they do have it. They have a ton of different things. Like I highly recommend their glosses. I'll link down below what I love. I love their gel pot liners, really good. Oh my gosh, Sigma. If you're going to make a Sigma purchase, sorry, I'm going back. Get the Wicked Gel Liner. It is my favorite freaking liner ever. I'm going to link all my favorite products down below. And that's basically what I'm personally going to be participating in. My main thing is I'm getting cash back from all of these different sites on eBay. So it's going to give me the coupons, give me the sales over on the side, and I'm going to take advantage of all the sales on the site themselves. Sometimes they do like a lot of pop-up sales like on Friday and you don't really know, or surprises and all of that. But I would definitely take advantage of it. Make an account. It's worth it. This is the time where I get so much cash back. Last year, I believe I got like about $400 just off of my Christmas shopping personally with myself. And I was just like, yes, like I got $400 from buying everybody's Christmas presents, like almost $400, buying all the Christmas presents and just doing regular shopping. And I was just like, oh my gosh. And it's because during Christmas time, they also do a lot of cash back as well. So that's another one to look forward to in the future. Yeah, I think that's about it. That's all I want to talk about. I love Sigma. I love BH. I wanted you guys to take advantage of the Ebates. There's just so many freaking sales, and also the Lady Moss, because the Cocoa Lashes are the freaking bomb. They're comparable to House of Lashes. It's like one of my favorite brands that I love to purchase my lashes from, and I just love them. The quality is amazing. So yeah. All right, you guys, I hope you guys appreciated this video. This is personally what I'm taking advantage of. The main thing is I'm just searching whatever store is on eBay. It's going to get the double cash back on Friday. So make sure you look out for that. And I think that's about it. Yeah. All right, you guys, I love you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you had a wonderful holiday weekend. I will not have a new video on Sunday. I'm going to be taking the weekend and spending time with my family that is coming down. I'm going to be taking my niece to, hopefully my nephew too. I don't know if he's going to stay, to Disneyland on Friday, day after Thanksgiving, so I'm super excited. Just want to spend time with family and stuff like that, and then we'll get back on track on Tuesday. Also, if you don't know, I do have a vlog channel, What Would Lizzy Vlog. Go check that out. I just posted up a new vlog yesterday, and I think that's about it. All right, you fine apples, I love you so much. Happy shopping. Be smart with your purchases. Only buy what you really need. And also, this is the time to buy for others. You get discounts, cash back, and all that good stuff. So I love you fine apples so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Whoop, whoop.